I hosted a workshop recently and a couple questions emerged regarding develop mode, specifically making multiple concurrent selections. Develop mode features a variety of adjustments under the Tune, Detail, Geometry, and Repair tabs. For this tutorial, we're only really concerned with Tune. Develop mode features a variety of generalized adjustments and some more selective masking adjustments. Generalized adjustments underneath the masking row. They include general itself all the way down to post-crop vignette. General lighting adjustments affect the whole image. For example, I'll apply a midtones adjustment using the light EQ row. And as you can see, it's being applied non-discriminately to the whole image. Masking, however, applies to parts of your image that you decide based on a selection process. And that selection process can differ based on different criteria. Clicking on masking, I'm going to navigate to range masking and select the color option. I will move the color range controls until it is selecting the color blue. Notice that a red mask appears instructing me on what is selected during the process. This will appear in the image preview itself. From here, I'll simply increase the temperature, lower the tint, and increase the clarity. This is going to change the colors in my image. Notice that my mask appears as a listed option below. I can hover over this mask to see the area of effect. To make another mask selection, I would simply click the plus button below. Masks can also be deleted, copied, pasted, duplicated, inverted, disabled, etc. I'll select the plus button to add another mask. This time I will use the linear gradient and apply a gradient in such a way that applies its mask effect to the top part of my image. I'm going to click on Color EQ after adding my linear gradient and select the Brightness tab from the 4 color tabs that appear beneath. I'll reduce the brightness of both the green and cyan sliders. With the changes in effect, notice that you can swap between the 2 active masks. Hovering over the masks will show you a preview of its effects. Use the bottom portion of this masking window to continue to add more masking effects. In total, you can have up to 24 active masks in any given photo. This can include brush masks, linear and radial gradient masks, any form of AI mask, and then the luminance and color range masking that was featured in this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.